Hi everyone, and welcome to our first class on AI. In this class, we'll be providing an introduction to the exciting and rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence. We'll start by discussing what AI is, how it works, and the different types of AI that exist. We'll explore concepts like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, which are all essential building blocks of AI technology. We'll also take a closer look at neural networks and deep learning algorithms, which are powerful tools that allow computers to simulate the structure and function of the human brain. By the end of this class, you'll have a solid understanding of the basics of AI and the key concepts and technologies involved. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or just someone who's interested in learning more about this exciting field, this class is for you. Hi there. You may have heard of AI before, but do you know what it actually is? At its core, AI refers to the ability of computers to do things that typically require human intelligence, like recognizing patterns, making decisions, and learning from experience. One way that computers accomplish this is by analyzing and processing large amounts of data using complex algorithms and models. This allows them to recognize patterns and connections that humans may not be able to see. There are several different types of AI, each with their own unique characteristics and applications. One of the most common types is called supervised learning. This is when a computer system is trained on a dataset of labeled examples, such as pictures of dogs and cats, and then used to make predictions or classifications on new, unlabeled data. Think of it like a teacher giving a student a bunch of examples of different animals and then asking them to identify new animals they've never seen before. Supervised learning is great for tasks where the computer needs to recognize specific patterns or features in data. Another type of AI is unsupervised learning. In this case, the computer is given a dataset of unlabeled data and has to find patterns and similarities on its own. This is useful when the data is too complex or varied to be easily labeled by humans. Unsupervised learning can be thought of like a person looking at a bunch of different pictures and trying to group them together based on similarities. It's great for tasks where the computer needs to identify underlying structures or relationships in data. Reinforcement learning is another type of AI where the computer is trained to make decisions based on feedback it receives from its environment. This is often used in robotics and game playing, where the computer system must learn to take actions that maximize a certain reward or score. Finally, there's deep learning, which is a specific subset of AI that involves using neural networks to simulate the structure and function of the human brain. These networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes that are trained to recognize patterns in data and make predictions based on that information. Deep learning is particularly effective in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition. For example, a deep learning algorithm could be used to identify faces in images, transcribe spoken language into text, or recognize speech commands from a user. So that's a more detailed overview of AI and some of the key concepts and technologies involved. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and check out our future videos on this exciting and rapidly evolving field.